up, y'all? We're here at the shop getting everything cleaned up right now. We got round 2 with Autotopiala LA going down today. We're gonna be doing the build breakdown on Pops' 240Z. So we kind of organize everything so they can see the type of work we do, the products we got going on, and some of the finished products we've had right here, as you see. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a lovely one. I gotta tell you guys about that shit. So after the shoot and everything that went down,
you didn't sell it.
No, I gotta buy it for you.
I knew it was gonna happen.
Huh? Yeah.
The shoot, huh?
Yeah, I wasn't even trying to. Like, I didn't want to. But
the channel has sold a few cars, and it's like
exactly.
Did I tell you about our commission structure? How it all works?
Chris.
This is Matt.
Hey,
that's Fernando.
Hey, I'm Chris. Nice to meet you, Chris.
Hey, Fernando.
Sean. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Fernando. Yeah.
Honjo. Albert, nice to meet you.
Hey man. What's up, brother? I'm Kyle.
I'd say this is Albert. And
Well, like the.
Alright, so we just finished up the talking portion of the video with Autotopiala. As you can see, we got the crew here again. We're about to go do some driving footage. Looking forward to this one because Sean loves these, so this will be a nice little drive. Stay tuned.
That shit went sideways, bro.
I love how he was telling me, like, I can't drive this one. You know, I can't get after it. It's my dad's car. It wouldn't be cool. He's 2 seconds down the road and blowing through gears, spinning tire. Come on.
I know everything. I go,
Yeah, I'd be scared to be. Fuck that, bro.
That car gets after it. Damn.
That thing rips.
Seriously.
How do you feel?
Oh, dude, I wasn't ready for that, dude. Damn, I must have probably twisted my neck on that. I wasn't ready on that.
I mean, hearing you guys when you first took off, the car just screams. Fine, I can't really do that. We hear you leaving the shop. Blap, blap, tire spin, blap, blap.
No, we drive them, trust me. But I'm not gonna spin it. That's the thing.
That's fine.
Yeah, no,
that's
we're driving.
fine.
Yeah.
But I mean, like,
But me spinning it, I trust me.
I was
want to,
expecting like I'll mildly get into it. It's
no.
dad's car, you know.
No, Pops get
I
down.
mean, literally, the second you left, it's on it.
Look, Pops get down. You know, I got it from somewhere, so.
You tell you what, from as far a distance as we were when you left the shop and got after it a bit, boy, it sounds amazing.
It's nice
The car
tire.
sounds so good.
Yeah. Tires were a little cold, that's why I almost fucking a little two-stepped out there, but.
So with the tire, you're probably making 4-ish?
Nah, not that much.
No.
Yeah, like 350 maybe?
Yeah, I would say. I mean, and we never dynoed it. We're just going off of.
Just off of what general numbers are on the car.
So basically, if it's at 425, I'm at 340. But
yeah.
it's
Now,
still
what,
plenty.
have you ever weighed it?
No, everyone's been asking us that.
Curious. Yeah.
So I will tell you though, it is nose heavy because the motor mount kit we got pushed the motor forward more than we wanted. Now, if I were to do this again, I would make our own motor mounts because if you look at the firewall, we got like a foot to go back.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we can push it back. That'd help with the weight. But he's not, you know, it's not a track car by any means. It's just,
Sure.
I mean, he
Street
cruises
car,
it.
have
Yeah,
fun.
street car, have fun. That's
Yeah,
up that weekend.
yeah,
So that's not the case.
Man, I tell you what, watching you guys pulling away up there after you pulled over for a brief moment. I mean, dude, it wiggle this way. It's not even predictable, right?
Nah.
You slammed it in the second.
Because I watched you wiggle to the right, to the left, back.
Well, but you know what? The tires are cold right now, though. That's the thing. Once they warm up, it's better. But that's it. Anytime I drop it, it's still fucking.
I mean, I'm
It's
sure
a
it's
short
better.
weekend.
So now it's like you're skating on like rough ice instead of smooth ice. I mean, come on.
That's not skating. I mean, once we drive, you'll see. It gets better.
Yeah. It's interesting that it didn't really sound LS.
It's weird. I don't know.
Maybe because it's going into one exit.
Well, that's what I also think it is, because most LSs are, you know, true dual. This one we crossed over, it's a single out.
It
So
almost had a sport bike tone, but with a lower end.
yeah,
to it.
exactly.
But almost a sport bike tone.
What are you gonna do with it now?
Hi to the camera.
Like hot.
I know.
Tired?
When I was talking to Sean earlier, like the whole back of my neck is like burning.
That's why I went and sat in the fucking shade.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Must be pretty bad for you to go sit in the shade.
that's what I said. I'm dark, first of all, and I'm in black. I said I need to be in the shade.
Hey, you got you got a little bit of brown right there.
No, you said
So
red.
what-
I get red.
Our skin color is getting closer.
Nah,
Isn't that crazy?
You see, this is my Cherokee Indian side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so when the sun hits directly, you see that red? It's that Cherokee Indian.
Yeah, start playing the Indian music with the
Different fucking Indian. Oh, God damn it. You need to lay like this.
No, I'm talking about the Native American music.
Oh.
I'm not talking about like
that's what I thought you were saying. I was like, well, get it right, man.
Dude, wow. This is amazing. This is a pro fucking setup here, man.
I'll tell you this: once you use this, you're never gonna want to hang out the window ever again.
Dude, like, you don't know how like how good like my arm feels now.
Damn, I'm driving a Ford right now.
I know. Welcome to the club, dude. You've been promoted.
Been promoted.
I gotta insert that meme. You've been promoted.
Oh yeah, you're one of my elite employees.
You have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees.
Smiling. See this? And we're chilling in here, bro. Windows up.
Go turn up the AC
kickback.
a little bit.
Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, this is.
Oh my god, that looks amazing, bro.
Yeah, dude. We got music, AC. Look, it was a total vibe.
Bro, if you saw us 5 years ago, how we used to shoot and film these videos, it's fucking hilarious.
I believe you, dude. I was always hanging out the window for so many years.
Speed up a little bit.
And look at how, hey, this is the best we've ever had, bro.
That's why. Yeah.
Great car.
It's different, though. This one, I mean, now that we've done this before, it's good.
Yeah.
I know what Sean likes.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
He knows how I'm gonna drive this one. It's a little different, but I'm still getting in it.
Driving it a lot more than I was expecting. I had told the guys, so today's going to be more about getting really beautiful shots of the car, because Stevie said he doesn't want to drive it hard.
I don't want to
love how
dog it out, dog.
No, I know, but I love how you say that, and literally the second you leave the shop, shit, with me in the car, you didn't even leave the shop. You started lighting it up in the parking lot, man. I love it.
I don't know what to do with my hands. When you talking, what do you normally keep it? Wait, pockets or what?
I'm a Jew, man. And Jews are like Italians. Like our hands just start moving for no good reason at all. So my hands are always moving. I don't do my hands. I did the first, that first handful of episodes we did.
Tilt too.
It's weird. There's nothing natural about standing in front of camera.
Yeah, well, see, that's the thing is I always told him, I said, when he films me, this will come right here.
Yeah.
And it's like, damn, give me a second, dog, give me a second.
Yeah.
But talking to
like
the camera is
somebody
different.
gets up in your grill like that,
Yeah.
you're kind of like, yo.
No, but the thing is though, like every time I'll try to get like normal position, and he starts backing up.
Well, that's the reason why.
We start
That's the
walking
reason
this
why.
way.
No, it's too close.
No, but
I'm trying to tell
it's
him.
not.
And he's just like,
But the thing
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
when you're talking to someone though, it's literally the same distance. You just freaking out. It's the same distance as we're talking.
It's different. I'm talking to somebody, but the camera's just it's different because you're holding the camera, yet you're still right there. So it's one of the things. Like I'm trying to figure out. I'm talking to you. I'm trying to talk to the camera, but then I'm talking to you too. It's like.
You know what I get in my head? I don't talk to the camera, I talk to the people that are watching, because there's people that are going to watch that, you know? So that's my thinking always, is like it's people standing there, you know?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, man. It's funny, sometimes when I watch back, I just think about your hand position, like, it's always different.
Depends on the day. That's it. Depends on the day.
By the end of the day, I know when it's not on your head, like, I know like, it's been a long day.
I take it off and he's like this.
Yes, it does.
Great fun again with you guys, man. Thank you again, John. Of course. Great to see you again. And all the input from you is really super helpful, man. Yeah.
Appreciate you coming out.
Thank you, bud.
Yep. As always.
Great to meet you,
man.
That
was fun today.
Seriously,
Yeah.
You guys take a lot of stuff home, please.
You guys, thank you.
Come on, man. Don't be like that. Take some shit home.
Good shit.
You're gonna hurt his feelings if you don't take it home. All right, gotta give a shout out to Sean and his crew for actually coming out to the shop today. We showed them around, showed them some of the builds, and the best part about it, I finally got to get you in the 240Z.
Ah, man, and like delivered so beyond what I was expecting. You know, especially with you, just so you guys know. So Stevie goes, hey, I can't drive this car like my SS, and you know, I'm gonna be pretty mellow in it. And then you left here and just started lighting up tires and lit up tires the whole time. Great car though, man. You guys, your crew, I tell you, dude, I'm super impressed with this car.
Appreciate it. I'm glad you guys got to meet the crew too.
Me too.
Because all these builds, you know, you got to know who's actually putting their hands on it. So.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
So stay tuned for the next one. That's all I gotta say.
Thanks, you guys.
Yeah, pleasure.
That was.
Pleasure. All right.
I really enjoyed it, man. And the tacos just topped the whole thing off for us. That was.
We had to show you the right way.
We never did.